1 minute, sir. My SAP, I think it's got closed. Give me 1 second, sir. Sir, okay. So my screen is visible. Hello.
Yes, Sujan. Yes.
Okay. Sir, I have one doubt, sir. So let me start from here. Sorry. Okay, sir, I am picking for the same activity area only for 2 different processes. Okay, one was for VAS, other one was normal picking, generic doubt only. So I have given here as a starting as a pack underscore bin. So this particular pack underscore bin belongs to normal packing work center. Okay, sir. Hello.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So now whenever I am picking VAS also, the same activity area only I'm picking for both for a VAS product and for normal packing work center. So here actually VAS would bin here V out underscore pack. So but what happens is now create a package, it is as of now V out and pack, but when I confirm, right, it is directly confirming into the packing area, normal packing area, because in the Sabre transaction we have given this bin, right? We can assign only one bin, right, sir? We cannot have multiple bins, right, based on the work center, right? So how this can be overcome, sir?
Can you show me how the work center is determined here? I mean, okay. How this bin is determined, how this VOUT underscore.
That I have given in TWOCST that table. Wait. See. I have maintained this bin in the.
Your voice is breaking or my voice is breaking? Is my voice can be heard, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my voice is breaking, yes, sir.
That's what for me, but everybody is the same. Like Srujan voice is.
It's good for me.
It's good for you guys. His voice is good.
It's good, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay, right. Maybe mine. Okay, you entered VOUT underscore pack over here, right?
Yes, sir. So this is a part of a POC step. So like that, this one based on the POC step and based on this one. But problem here is that the source activity area, picking source activity area is common for both of the processor. So here I have given the pack bin of the normal packing work center because only one bin I can assign, right? So based on this, the system, whenever I confirm, see now it is proposing VOUT pack. It's okay, it's fine. But when I confirm the package, it is going to pack bin because of the Sabre transaction, that one. So any option is there for this? Because here the storage bin is pack bin here. That's why when I confirm the task, it is going to pack bin.
Yeah. Go to easy access screen.
Okay, one minute, sir.
So first of all, create a new storage type with HU create something like that. And then instead of assigning pack bin, create a new bin in that storage type and then assign it over here.
No, new storage type is already there. No, VOUT underscore bin. I have already have.
Go to configuration, storage type configuration.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Incoming call from Shiva Reddy 6481.
So I think it is E0 some VAS I used something. Let me check. Send codes receptor. Okay, give me 1 second, sir. Okay, VOUT storage type. Okay.
I'm saying that go to you are into our system, right? Can you just go to 62A1 position 62A1 HUCR.
Okay, 62A1, right? Okay.
A1 HUCR. There is a storage type called HUCR.
Okay. HUCR. Okay.
62.
Oh, sorry. 62A1. Okay, fine. HUCR, sir.
Yeah, copy this and then create in your warehouse.
Okay. So I'll use the same thing only HUCR.
Save, yeah, save.
Yes.
And then create a section also.
Okay.
Yeah. HUCR. Create an activity area.
Okay.
Just come down. Yeah, generate. Yeah, that's good.
Yes.
HUCR. Execute. Now create a bin.
Okay.
No, only one bin, right? LS01.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we are only packed bin by correct. Like that. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Done.
SBST.
Oh, sir, which one?
SBST.
Oh, SBST. Okay, bin short. Okay.
Take the bin and enter or there.
Okay.
Seva. HUCR underscore bin.
Okay, I already opened somewhere. Okay, so it's become a generic bin now. It's not belong to pack bin or something.
Yeah. Go ahead and create. Go ahead and
okay, the same product I will
create a scenario now.
Okay, let me do now.
Oh.
Let me check. VAS order got created. Let me create a task now. Okay, now it is going as per this. Let me confirm the task.
Yeah.
We'll see the HU here, pick HU. Now it is going in this one. Shall I confirm this?
Let us confirm. Take the HU number from here.
Yeah.
And
I'll
then
take it. Fine.
Yeah.
Shall I save it? Now it is going. Okay, let me confirm.
Confirm. After confirm, it will confirm as a HUCR, I think.
HUCR. But I want to go to this bin. No? Okay, we'll see that.
No worries. We'll see.
Okay. Yeah, it went to this
Yeah.
HUC.
Copy this bin, copy this HU, and
Okay.
then copy this HU and go to monitor.
Okay. 1 second, sir. Virus task, shall I give it virus task?
Give the HU itself and execute.
Okay. 1 minute. Yes, sir.
Go to FMQ2 and then check.
SMQ2, inbound queue.
Yeah. What is the error message for this HU? Last.
Okay, it's not there.
If it's not there, go down to the last.
I think it's not there in the queue, I guess.
Okay. Try to create a task from outbound delivery itself.
Another outbound delivery, sir?
No, same outbound delivery. Try to create one task.
Okay.
Let's see whether it is going to allow that.
Okay. I think this is the one, right? There is no, it's not allowing me because.
Hop task. Try to create a hop task.
Ad hoc task, huh? Okay. So shall I move directly to vout underscore that bin?
Yeah, give that. No issues.
Yeah.
999, right?
Correct. Sorry, 3. Not relevant, I'm giving. Storage control.
No, don't give anything. Don't confirm. Don't confirm automatically.
Okay.
Yeah, just create. Don't.
Okay.
Go down where it is going. So just take that.
Source bin is this. Let me see the destination. Destination, whatever we have given, it is going now.
Do one thing. Again, come back to HUCR. Don't give the destination bin. And then try to create.
Okay. Let me again execute. Okay. So just give 9.
And then create.
Okay. Just create. Okay. Yeah, it's going to be out correctly. It is. Yeah.
3070 is coming, right?
Yeah. 3070 is correct.
Execute.
Create to
save.
Okay. Warehouse got create.
Try to confirm.
Yeah. HU task.
Where it is going.
Yeah, it's going. Let me confirm.
Yeah. So
confirm, sir.
So that means it's not creating a automatic task. Automatic tasks is not happening. That is because.
But I have one doubt, sir. See, in the Sabre transaction, instead of giving a pack bin, why can't be the source bin itself? If that is the case, it won't work, sir. In Sabre transaction, this is for creating a Pikachu only, right? The bin is used for. So now we are specifically giving some packing work center like that. So that is why it is getting confirmed in that particular packing work center.
Yeah, I understand that. It should create an open task again. Go to configuration for POSC.
Okay, sir. Let me go to that POC step.
Why it is not creating? Why it is not creating? There is a.
I think it is Z out. I think so. Let me check. Yeah, this one. Z out. I used some other.
This is
this is for normal outbound. I was using some other think this is stock removal.
Out one, something
I
like
think V out, I guess.
that? V out, V out, yeah. V out.
So this is the one which is, yeah.
Hmm. Okay, so meaning, okay, what's your process-oriented storage control? Same.
Okay. So the step is, I think V out. No, step is some other thing. I forgot. Let me go to warehouse number E001. I think the step is not this one. Sorry. Okay, this is the one. This is step VO01. Yeah, sorry.
Go to little further.
One second, sir.
No, in VS02 you're talking about?
No, VO01. It's not moving now. I think something. It's VO01. It is in the top, sir. 1 minute.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
In top, it's loading something. This one. This is a step, sir. VO01. Yeah.
Yeah, I think go to little.
Okay, sir. Well, creating. Okay. We use HUCR only, right? Yeah.
Can you click on rules based or here?
Okay.
And then save.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe can you try now?
One more delivery shall I create?
Just
Yeah.
try.
Yeah.
Actually, it will not be resolving, but yeah, we'll see.
Okay, sir. 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, as of now, it's going here. Create plus save. Confirm. Should go to HUCR now. Yeah. Confirm in foreground. So shall I confirm, sir? Hello.
Yes.
Okay. It's confirmed in HUCR. No.
Yeah, this is okay. Next to open tab should be there.
Okay, open task should be there. Okay. So shall I check in the monitor? Any open task is there?
Yeah.
No open task, sir. It's not creating. It's getting confirmed in this only. HUCR underscore bin.
Can you
But
try
if you-
one more? Can you try one more delivery? What is this delivery number 834, right?
834, sir.
Yeah. Can you try one more delivery?
I will let me try. $254, right? Yeah.
There is happening here.
Where was task? No, sir. It's still getting confirmed only here. Open task is not getting created.
Check that again. Check that in a different, documents, and then see that it should be.
Which one?
Go to documents and then warehouse task and check that.
Okay. Okay. We'll copy this HU. Yeah. Open task. Any open task is there? Okay. No, sir. All are confirmed task only.
All are confirmed tasks, but it is not.
That's no open task.
Not
Not an issue, sir. We will check this, but always it should be in the pack bin only in the Sabre transaction, that bin. It can't be the source one creating a Pikachu. It can't be the source activity area bin in that Sabre transaction, or it should be always the packing work center bin only.
No, HUCR is the correct option.
Okay, HUCR is the correct one storage type we'll create, and we use all the Pikachu creation from that particular storage type.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay. Can you try again now?
Okay. 1 minute.
Just don't save it. I'll tell you.
Okay.
No issues. Carry on.
No, done, sir. I'm done with this, sir. So I'm not saving.
Yeah, save it. No problem.
Okay. Yeah. Shall I save with outbound delivery? Okay.
You can. There must be a new block. But why is not created a new block?
Okay. Shall I create the task?
Yes. Okay. Can you just open before going to that? Just go back one time.
Okay, sir.
And then
Yes.
see the open the item view.
Okay.
What is that? Go down and then see 1001 consolidation group, right?
Okay.
Consolidation group is 1001. How many zeros are there? 7 zeros, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Yes. 7 zeros and 1 0. Correct.
7 zeros.
Shall I open the consolidation group for that configuration?
No, not yet.
Pack spec is determined because VAS order. That's why your pack spec is coming.
Can you try now? Try now.
I'll create a task. Okay. Okay. Okay, this one is that. Yeah. Confirm plus save. Okay, let me check on the monitor this. No, sir. It's confirming in this only. Open task is not.
Sorry. Now do this again. I got it now.
Okay. I'll create one more delivery.
Yeah. Before creating the task, let me know. Just
Okay.
All these things.
Okay, sir.
Last and final try.
Yes. Never give up. Okay, let me save. 237. Okay. Yes, sir. Shall I execute the task?
Now you can do it.
Okay. I'm creating. I'm confirming, sir. Shall I confirm?
Yes.
Okay. Let me check.
Right here it says yes.
Yes, sir. It's creating now. So how was the magic, sir? Okay. What was the thing?
Yeah, go to POSC configuration.
Okay. Okay. Let me see whether I have opened. So no, let me go it. Storage process or
Yeah, storage process.
okay.
Assignment of the steps.
Okay. First one, there was auto check was not there in the first OB01.
Exactly.
That
Can you try again? One last try.
okay. New order, right? Okay.
Same process. Try again. I'm removing one more option.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's see that.
Yes.
It's only the issue. Wait. Don't confirm. Just a second. Yeah. Okay. Let's see one more time. Yeah.
Shall
Go
I
ahead.
create
Go
task?
ahead. Create.
Okay. Task is not.
No, you did not select the. You did not select it. You did not select the
Okay.
line.
Yes. My mistake. Yeah. I will confirm, sir. Confirm, plus. Let me check and monitor. It's creating, sir. It's creating a HU task. Move from the.
Oh, HU task.
Yeah. It's creating. So what changes, sir?
No, nothing. I mean, what I did wrongly, I thought differently, but yeah, go to one transaction. This one transaction called what is that? Let me pack stdt. Go to pack stdt. There is an entry I maintain.
Okay, so /n/pack std, yeah?
Pack stdt.
stdd. Okay, stdt, correct? Huh?
Pack stdt. Pack
Correct.
stdt. Yeah. /n/stw, right?
Oh, sorry. Yeah. I didn't use this transaction Excel. Okay. stdt. Yeah.
So here I have maintained the law entry that, I mean, I deleted it. Earlier I maintained that. I thought it is going to come with this. Like,
Okay.
I maintained activity area and then storage, last storage type and storage section, but now that's only the one.
So it's optional. But why this entry, sir? This route, this is based on the route, it will create a
exactly. Based on the activity area, consolidation group and route, you can define separate way, I mean, rule. That's rule based, you tick.
Okay, yes. Rule based we checked. Okay.
That rules you can put it over here.
Okay, got it. Okay, this is one way of having. Okay. Okay, but actually the culprit was. Yeah.
Just one question. In this configuration, like in which business scenario we can use this configuration?
Sorry, can you say that again?
Yeah, in which business scenario can we use that configuration, pack stdt?
I mean, like, okay. Actually, that is used based on your activity area and then consolidation group configuration. Meaning, if business wanted, if consolidation group means almost the meaning of customer, right? I mean, correct? Consolidation group means
correct.
Customer, something like that. So,
based on our ship to party customer, that one. Yeah.
Based on ship to party and customer, priority quantity. So in that case, if the customer wanted to send this work center differently based on the rule, that is the rule you have to maintain. I mean, instead of he was giving VOUT and underscore VAST, instead of that, VOUT underscore 358 work center, something like that. So you can send it differently for that customer to a different work center. In that case, you can use that. That is a rule.
This applies for multiple work center. When we have multiple work center, and packing has to happen based on the ship to party or consolidation group. That particular work center has to do.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Sujan, can you scroll right?
Oh, okay.
On the screen.
Yeah.
Okay, so only the check was the culprit.
This is the one, it seems. So Raj sir, I have one question. So normally the Pikachu should not be the packing work center and all. It should be a separate storage type where you create all the Pikachu in that one, and this check is missing. These are the two things which we missed out.
Actually, most of the times I also confused you guys. The first checkbox will help you to create the pack task, pack bin task.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. I mean, if you check that, can you F1 it? The meaning will be different actually.
Yes.
And what was that? I mean, that rule-based, Raju? You put another check also, right? Rule-based.
Can you check that? Automatic creation of subsequent warehouse task, right?
Yes, subsequent warehouse task. Correct.
That means next, not the first one. We always think that IB01 check means IB01 first task is going to be created.
That is a picking task. The first one is a picking task.
The picking task will be created based on your, I mean, if you want to automate it, it will be created automatically based on your, maybe I can say, based on your PPF action, or maybe based on your wave automatic release, correct?
Yes, sir. Based on the automatic.
Next subsequent task is going to be created based on the first checkbox on the OB01.
Okay. Okay.
That is
okay.
not, that is what you did not do that. See that?
Okay, that means now in our case, this is after coming to the packing the HUCR area, we are going to create second task.
Absolutely. Even I also confused earlier, and I confused you guys also.
Not only you, sir. Even some of the online documentation I saw, they some documentation they didn't check the first box, first IB01 also.
Because they are maintaining packs here, pack underscore bin.
Directly packing as a Pikachu creation.
There is no need to move.
Sir, but what you said is an ideal scenario. What will happen? No, all the trolley. For example, they create a Pikachu as a trolley. So all the trolleys, no, they will keep in one separate storage type, and then that like HUCR, that separate storage type, and then they will take the trolley and go into the picking area and pick it and bringing it to the work center. So if you think in that way, right, I think this is the ideal way of working, right?
Correct.
Fine. So now it will create one more additional task. Earlier we have only if you see only two tasks to bring it to the staging area. First one is a picking task. Then bringing it to the packing area. You do the packing and close the HU. It will create one more task to the staging area. But now we have additional one more step, one more task to bring it from the HU creation area to the packing area or work center area, and then.
This may not be treated as a one more task. Actually, this is correct process.
Okay.
Earlier you are keeping pack underscore bin in the SEBA transaction. That is the reason it is not creating, right?
It's not creating because we are going to bring it to the packing area only directly.
Directly going to the packing area. That's the reason conforming to that. Okay, but usually workers will come to the packing area and then scan the pack underscore bin. And then they will confirm that they reach to this area. This is what they are going to do.
They are going to pick the HU and then something like that, and then like that.
There they are going to confirm the task so that confirmation is they reach to pack work center. But earlier when you are confirming the pick task itself, it is confirming to the work center. But that might not be correct.
Because we have multiple work center, no, then that scenario won't work. When you have multiple work center, we cannot hardcore one particular bin in there, right? So fine.
Can you read that example in the goods issue process?
In the goods issue process, you define automatic creation of subsequent warehouse tasks for the storage process step. So when the unloading WT is confirmed, the system automatically creates a WT for put away.
Okay. Otherwise, deconsolidation.
Okay.
The deconsolidation task is going to be created automatically, and the goods issue also same. You do not.
In the goods issue process, you do not define automatic creation of subsequent WT for the WT for a staging area. Because you should create the loading WT manually when the truck is at the door. Okay.
Now we need to go to separate work center. That's the reason we are checking that. Okay, subsequent task creation for that.
Okay. So I think this is one more variant which we learned today. Right.
New virus, right?
Yes. Thank you, sir. Thanks for this. Okay, so one more small question, sir, before I give it to others to ask question. So, okay, let me open one storage process, which I think 1 minute, sir. Sorry. Okay, let me go here.
I think Ranganathan Srihari joined today. You right? I mean, welcome to the class. Yeah. Sorry, you are new. I mean, I have not seen you.
Yeah, I am new to this class.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Sir, one time we discussed, right? Like we have multiple work center, multiple work center, and I am going to give the rule-based determination for bringing that pick task to the work center. We have, for example, we have 3 work center. So like you have suggested that you can create one storage type, but we can maintain different sections and different work center and assign the same storage type to different work center. Correct, na, sir? So, but I had one question alone. When we put a section here and we check the rule base, no, the system is not allowing to save because either you have to remove both the bin and section and put the rule based, or you have to uncheck the rule based. So how that
What
can
is
be
that?
achieved?
What is that external step? It is
It's
EST2?
packing only, I guess.
No. What is
I-
that step? IB02 you're talking about?
I think so, sir. I forgot which one. I think I experimented in one of the thing. Maybe I think IB02 might be IB02.
IB02, it's not going to allow both of them. But
Both of them,
VAS
correct.
is going to allow.
Okay. So the ideal situation is that just you, if you're using rule based, just give only the destination storage, right? You told two scenarios, correct? One of the scenarios is that the user will scan the work center bin. He will know he will know that which work center he has to go and scan it, and he will confirm that particular work center. We will give only the destination storage type and give the rule based.
Correct.
Sorry, rule based or not required. Okay. But I have one question here. Can't we have section and rule based? It won't work, right? Section and rule based.
It will work.
It'll work, huh?
Same
Okay, so
section you want to have a two bins, and that means two work centers, right?
Correct. Same
For the VAS, right?
Yes. For not for the VAS, for the normal packing. That's the thing.
No.
Normal packing.
Oh, normal packing. I think IB02 is not going to. OB02.
That's what I tried the scenario, but it was not allowing with the section. Either you have to give this only storage type, or you have to uncheck the rule based and give the input in section and the bin. Hardcore that too. Yeah. Okay, sir. I'll check this. I'll check this on the scenario. And
OB02 and IB02 is not going to be allowed. Either you have to enter the destination details or route based.
Okay.
VAS it is going to allow.
VAS it is going to allow. Yeah. But my question is that in the real time scenario, if they have multiple normal packing work center, then if you want to rule based, you cannot hardcore anything. Only the system will propose the destination storage type, packing work center storage type. But the bin and all, only the user has to scan and he have to confirm, right? Is this the one? Is this the way of working?
Go to pack DTST. I told you, na. Go to that scenario. Here, DST DT. Yeah, here new entries.
Okay.
I give that storage type or storage type section.
Okay, storage type I use some E0. Okay, packing center I use. And bin also?
No, bin is not required. You are saying that you want to scan whichever you wanted, right?
Correct. Whichever you want.
Yeah, just
section I'm having. Shall I select the section?
No, you have two sections, then don't give. If you have only one section, give that.
Two section. What I did, no, I created two work center and each section one work center. Like that I maintained.
Then only to storage, give the storage type.
Okay. And activity area, source activity area, this one?
No, activity is not mandatory.
Okay.
Activity area is not mandatory. You just must specify the storage section. I think it was
consolidation group also not mandatory.
No. Specify the section also.
Section.
I think it's looking for section here. And
okay.
And then save. Enter and save.
Put away rule must. Okay. Okay. It is.
3030 must have category consolidation group is mandatory. I think first.
Okay. Okay. I think 7 zeros and 1 0 1, right?
Yeah, remove the first entry and then keep second entry.
Put away rule.
So
Oh,
the
rule.
rule in storage type, consolidate
Okay.
group should be there. Go to
Yeah,
user
I have
config.
to go to the storage type and maintain consolidation group in the storage type setting. I think so. Correct.
Yeah, you have to maintain that. Yes.
Okay, I will check this scenario, sir. Maybe I will check this, and then
Yeah.
maybe I'll ask, like, experiment this one, and I'll ask next time when we are working.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for your help. Yeah.
Who joined as a EWM boss? Who is that EWM boss? 1123. So maybe my number is 1124, I think, right?
Sir, this is Aloka. I joined from my phone.
EWM boss 1123, 1124. James Bond. Right?
James Bond.
James Bond.
James Bond. Good. Okay. Anybody have any other questions?
Sujan? Yeah. Pratap here. Good morning, Raj.
Right.
Morning,
Ah.
Sujan.
Just.
Are you able to hear Raju?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. See, there is one scenario. I mean, I think Sujan knows this. See, actually, it's a delivery-based picking. Okay, production order, and it is creating a delivery. Okay, while creating a delivery, so system is allocating the batches. Okay, but what is happening when the picker in the warehouse, whatever they're going to pick, the batches is not available, which is then outbound delivery. So what they're doing, they're picking with the different batches, and they've done the PJ also. Okay, what is that technically we are facing challenge is when we done the PJ, so system it's going dump. Okay, it is showing as a runtime error. So when we analyze in debug mode, we understood that the posted batches and OBD batches is not it's not match.
OBD batch and then picking batch is not matched. Okay.
Yeah, picked and PJ batches. It is not handshake. So the thing is how we can allocate the batches in the outbound delivery, which is available stock in the EWM.
Are you using batch management? That one config will be there in the master data. Sorry, one settings in the master data. Are you using batch management? Or?
Yeah, we are using batch management.
Brother, one question. See, the batch determination is coming from the sales order or it determined from the EWM side. How it is batch determination is coming?
So it is, I think, as per my knowledge, it is determining at the OBD IM level itself. IM
level, okay. So that means you are EWM you are picking some other batch and confirming the task. So that is a discrepancy happening, right? Is that
exactly.
My understanding?
Yeah, you're right.
So, but
wait. How you are doing the batch picking? Are you doing via RF?
Manual only, not RF. So what they're doing, so they're picking and they're writing in the paper, and they're confirming the warehouse task also.
No. You have to enter a number, right? The batch number.
That's what I'm telling. So initially, I'll tell you the real scenario. What they will do, they will create a warehouse task. Okay.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
They'll put it in the paper. Okay, what is the batch and what is the quantity they need to pick, and they will go to the bin and they will take the stock. Okay, and they will confirm the stock. The confirm means the confirmation of warehouse task. Here,
no, I mean they are doing it GUI in GUI or RF. That was my question.
GUI, there is no handle. That's what there is no RF, no handle device, nothing.
Okay, then it's a city scenario. It's not good. They should do in RF.
No. The thing is, my requirement is, see, first thing is how we can restrict, or is there any solution while creation of OBD itself? So system has to predict or any intelligence to determine the batches of UWM stock. Or whenever we are going to confirm the stock of warehouse task, so system should not allow the batches which is not there in the outbound delivery. Actually, Pradap, to my understanding, no, the batch is coming from the batch master things is coming from the IM only. EWM is just executing it because the batch determination is happening from the IM level, from the ERP level. So EWM just executing because
yeah, I agree.
Okay, Sajjan,
But I
answer to
don't, Raju sir can add some more.
yeah. Before Raju step in, see, Sujan, answer to your question. See, I have basic understanding. See, if already propose the batch which is there in EWM, so system should not allow to pick the other batches. Okay, I'll finish my questions. Then maybe you guys can interrupt later. The second thing, if I already propose the batch, okay, boss, you go and pick this batch means, so system should not work on any strategies. Okay, either you should not so override. I think there is a configuration that I see. I mean, these are predominantly, there are two things. If I'm suggesting A, so user has to pick A only. If it is even though he picked B, so system should not allow to confirm the variance class.
Actually, it is like that only. If the batch is already hard coded in the IM level, when you confirm the task, you cannot change the batch unless you enter the exception code. CH, I think some batch exception code is there. Until you enter the exception code and confirm in different batches. Maybe Raju sir can confirm, or anyone can confirm. It should not allow, right, Raju sir? If the batch is already hard coded in sales order level, it should not allow to pick a different batch unless you enter exception code, correct?
Correct. Batch number should not be that. Yeah, you are right. So you are saying that batch number is already allocated in outbound delivery. That should not be allocated, which stock is not there in EW, right? Is that
correct? You're right.
Okay. So batch determination, available batch determination configuration has been done. There is a configuration, right? There is a rule. There is a rule actually. In that rule, if the stock is not there with that batch, it is not going to be allocated. So that rules, you have to create a condition records. Based on the condition records, batch is not going to be allocated if the stock is not there in that particular.
No, sorry, Raj, sorry to interrupt, Raj. See, actually, what is happening? I'll go one step down. See, what is happening? That batch may be moved to PSA. Okay, for example, maybe it is already allocated for other production order, for example. Okay, but still the stock is available in that respect to IM only. Okay.
So correct. I understand that you are saying that reservation is already created with that material, but reservation, even though reservation is there, but reservation is completed. I mean, like the 100 quantity is there, 100 quantity already reserved, but still a new production order or new product is still allocating that same batch number. That's what you are saying, right?
Yes.
So actually, it should be deducted. It should be reduced based on the reservation. Reservation is not available with that MRP. Are you using MRP and something like that?
In this case, no MRP, because it is once the production order is created, in the backend it is creating delivery. Even I asked the same question, because I think because I am new to this outbound delivery based on the production order. So
usually there is, I mean, maybe I'm not the right person to answer right now, but I have to look into that. Usually what will happen is if the reservation is already there, or suppose example, you have 100 pieces. In that 100 pieces, there is a reservation. Maybe order is created and then reservation 50 is already there. So then the balance is 50. If you are creating another 50 to create that, it is going to allocate that next order, and when it is go and check for the material, already reservation is there for an entire quantity, it will go to the next batch. That is what it is going to happen. If it is
batch split, sir. It's a batch split, kind of batch split.
Yeah, it's going to check for the other batch actually in that case. It's not batch split. Maybe configuration is for batch split, but yeah. So let me look into that. If I get some time, I'm going to get back to you on that. But yeah, it should be compulsory. If the batch is not available, if the batch is already reserved, it should not allocate to the new delivery. That is what you are looking for, right?
You're right.
Yeah, that there maybe right person can be. This is, as Rujan said, it is starting from ECC, the delivery creation. maybe if you guys have any PP consultant, you can ask him. Otherwise, we'll look into that. It's not a major deal to check that. Okay.
Fine,
But yeah, you are right. It should not allocate. The batch is already allocated to some other delivery. Yeah, but stock will be there. The physical stock will be there, but it is not available stock with that batch. Okay.
Yeah, that is a
I'll
fine.
look and get back to you on that. Okay. Good guys. Yeah. Any other questions?
Raj sir, I have if anyone have questions, I will ask in the end. Okay, sir, Raj sir, I have one question. See, I tried one scenario of the sales order stock. Okay, so it is happening properly in EWM with the reference to sales order. That stock is done the put away, and we can see in the monitor also the sales order stock. Okay, but what I did was, okay, until the put away is happening properly, and in the aqua table and all the things, the sales order and the reference SAS something was there, type something was there, it all updated properly. So but problem is that now for the particular sales order, when I try to picking, no, it should pick that particular stock only, right? So I will show the scenario next week, sir. I have configured this one, but it is taking other stock. So is that any configuration or anything has to do that? It has to restrict only to pick that sales order stock. It should not go for the normal stock.
Yes, yes, you are talking about.
Yes, sir. Type is SAS for sales order stock. SAS and you and the sales order number reference also will be there.
Well, yeah. So what is the error you are getting, or it is
no error while picking for the sales order, right? That particular sales order, it is taking the normal stock also. That is a ideal thing, right? It should pick that particular sales order stock only, right? Maybe
how did you create that sales order stock initially?
I will tell, sir. So if you go for an Migo, right? The movement type is 501 and the sales order special stock is E. So when we create a transfer posting with this, no, automatically the system will create a inbound delivery in the backend. That inbound delivery we can do in the EWM with the PGR.
The sales order still live, right?
Yes. We can see in the monitor. We can see that SAS sales order, everything is updated properly. But problem is that when we pick it, no, it is not picking that sales order, particular sales order stock. It picking same product. It is picking some other stock. Where it is not getting the priority to that particular sales order stock.
Looks like some issue is there, but yeah, compulsory it has to pick the same stock.
Maybe next week I will show that scenario. Next time when we know, I will run the scenario, so we can see deep dive into it. Is there any baddie we need to implement? I went to the in the picking storage type searches there for picking, no. So there was nothing given for they have given for special stock for access sequence and everything, but they didn't give for the sales order stock. Even I tried.
First of all, your delivery, outbound delivery. Outbound delivery. Can you just open this your outbound delivery? Just share your screen.
Yes. I will
just go to outbound delivery.
Yes. I will check. I'll open, sir. Let me. I forgot. 2 weeks back I checked this. Let me open that.
Yeah, normal. Just now created one outbound delivery, right? Just open
yes. Let me share my screen.
Hey, please, what is your time now?
It is 7
PM or AM?
AM. It's hard to join at this time, because it starts at 6:30 in the morning for me, But I wanted to hear the problems that people have, to have an idea of the issues.
Can you open form you for the item?
Okay.
Any can you just go down in the
here these things are updated. Yeah, these things are updated for my delivery. I opened that.
Then it should come here.
That's what it is main updated here in the warehouse task, monitor, aqua table, everywhere updated properly. But I will open that particular delivery itself, sir. Give me 1 second.
Go to monitor and then open this. You can do that. Go to
Yes,
monitor.
it's created for sales order. I'm just checking.
No, that's what I mean. You can easily find out in monitor.
Okay. Yeah.
Monitor, outbound.
Available stock, huh?
No, outbound documents,
Okay.
outbound delivery order below. No, not
Okay.
this, below. Outbound
Okay,
delivery
okay.
order title. Close this. Yeah, outbound delivery order item.
Yes.
Now give, I think there is no much delivery side. Execute it.
Yeah. So we can put there in the sales order.
Sales order field. Just see that.
Yes. We have many days. I 4-5 days last time. 1 minute. Okay, let me put a filter.
No, right click on it. Right click on the one line.
Right click. Okay, sir.
Set filter.
Yeah.
Not equal to. Just say equal to, right? Not equal to. Make it as a not equal to.
Not equal to.
Close this. Below there is an option, right? Here. That flower.
It's not opening, sir.
It should.
No.
Otherwise, delete.
Or we can do one thing.
Put the cursor on the field. Yeah, now try.
We can do this, multiple options, multiple selections or options, and we can do this also.
Not equal. Yeah. Execute now. Enter.
Execute. Oh, not there. 1 minute, sir. I will give that. Which one? I whether I created in my system. I'm not sure. My sandbox. Give me 1 second, sir. Sir. Sorry. Lock.
Do one thing. Create a sales order and then do create a scenario.
Okay. We'll do that right now. Okay, fine.